Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, as always, welcome back. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing basically everything luxury or designer I bought in a week. I've been seeing this tag go around and I thought it was kind of interesting because I feel like not every week do I shop like this, but if I could, I would shop like this every week. But I did pick up a lot of things this week, so I thought it would be fun to make one of these haul videos. So if you'd like to see all the things I picked up, I have some Louis Vuitton, I have some Gucci, I have some Celine, I have some Balenciaga, basically a little bit of everything. It's not purses, it's not all purses rather, so definitely if you want to see all the things that I bought this week and why my debit card is very mad at me, keep watching. Before we get any further into today's video, please do me a favor by making sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well as turning those post notifications on. So every time I upload any sort of unboxing, haul, whatever it may be, you can stop by and check it out. While you're at it, if you're not already following me on Instagram, I don't know why I have to keep reminding you, but you might as well go ahead and follow me on there as well. And I think we've got everything covered. Let's get right into this haul. So today's haul is compiled of a lot of different designers, as you can tell in the title, but I also picked up things from different places. So if you saw my most recent unboxing, I unboxed a Steven Sprouse Neverfull, which I purchased on Rebag, and I said I had bought quite a few things on Rebag. So that was one of them that will not be in this video. Please make sure you check out that unboxing, as well as I did also purchase another handbag, which is going to have its own separate unboxing. So let's get right into it. Picked up this week that was luxury related is from, of course, my absolute favorite place on earth, Louis Vuitton. And very rarely, if you're not new to my unboxings, you know very rarely do the boxes still have the bows and stuff on them because I've usually opened them beforehand. So of course the bow wouldn't work when I wanted to work. So I purchased this in store. So what I picked up was I believe I also mentioned I wanted to pick this up in one of my videos, and somebody commented how they had it and just didn't really like it. But yeah, I definitely mentioned that I wanted this. So what I did pick up was the reverse monogram card case, card holder. I absolutely love the reverse monogram in general. I have the reverse monogram Palm Springs. More recently, I've been looking at the reverse monogram Pochette Matisse. So I definitely have a thing for the reverse monogram. I think it's safe to say. Now let's move along to Rebag. Like I said, if you haven't watched my Louis Vuitton Steven Sprouse Neverfull unboxing, make sure you go watch it. I purchased that at Rebag, as well as another purse that I am going to give its own dedicated unboxing to. But one thing that I did pick up from Rebag besides those two purses was so once again, Rebag, every item you buy from Rebag comes with the certification card as well as that QR code, like I said, so that you can scan it and pull it up to show people it is authentic if you were maybe reselling, as well as where the serial number is located on the exact item. So my purchase from Rebag is probably my absolute favorite sunglass designer in the whole entire world is Celine. I think every style, every pair of Celine sunglasses, I don't know if it's my face shape or if it's just Celine, but every pair looks amazing. They are definitely number one of my top 3 sunglass designers for sure. It's like Gucci. It's like Celine, Gucci, and then I just said the other day who was third. Why? Chanel. Yeah. So in my opinion, the best sunglasses go from Celine being the best, Gucci and Chanel being tied at, you know, the second and third spot, and Fendi also makes some really amazing glasses as well. Celine's just happen to be my literal favorite sunglass designer. So I picked up these sunglasses from Rebag. These are, I believe they're the regular flat top sunglasses with the black top and the bottom tortoise. And then it has the little Celine logos on the side. Now, if you know me, you know that I have had this exact pair of Celine sunglasses in almost every color combination possible. Like, I live for sunglasses. So I've had these in probably like 4 different color combinations. I've left one on a vacation. I've broken one. I'm the type of person, like, I go in the ocean with my sunglasses on. I wear sunglasses at night. I just love sunglasses. I think they're like the best accessory besides having a purse or jewelry. They just tie every look together. So I decided, instead of buying another pair of these brand new, because I seem to always lose these, I would purchase them on Rebag, and they were marked as in excellent condition, and honestly, they are, in my opinion, very close to pristine condition. I don't really remember what the factor was that made it not pristine, but it did come with the original sunglass case and that Rebag authentication card. So I was super happy with these. And another reason I decided to buy these pre-loved, besides them being in great condition, is Celine has just come out with a lot of new flat top styles. So I feel like I'll be picking some of them up in the future. One of the first places that I placed an order from this week was the company The RealReal, and I actually ended up picking up 4 items from them. The first thing that I purchased from The RealReal is this Gucci silk scarf. I believe it is from the G Cube collection, the Cubist collection. They do call it a twill, similar to the Hermes twillies. I love wearing these in my hair. If you know anything about me, I love tying these on my hair. So the thing that made me purchase this one in particular was it was new with tags, and I did get this on The RealReal. I don't have my receipt in front of me, but I know it was under $110, I want to say. So I picked this up. I love it. It's navy, red, and cream and tan. The colors are what I really wanted it for, because I feel like this spring and summer I'm going to be wearing a lot of nudes and neutral colors. That's kind of my color scheme for spring. So I knew this would match perfectly with so many different things. So that's the first thing I picked up from The RealReal. The second thing I picked up from The RealReal was also new with tags and also from Gucci, and it is the, I'm not sure what collection this is from. I should have had my receipt in front of me. But so basically it is the little keychain coin purse type of thing. They say you could carry cards in it. So the reason I did pick this up, besides it being new with tags, which was very appealing to me for the price, I do have the Gucci Bangle Collection wallet, but this little butterfly right here, if you know anything about me, I absolutely love butterflies, but that is actually the same exact like butterfly style, I guess you would say, that my grandmother had tattooed on her. So I just felt like it was perfect for me. This next item that I got at the Real Real, these are, if you've never ordered from the Real Real or seen a Real Real unboxing, these are the dust bags, the company dust bags, or I guess just organization bags that they send your items in. So this next item, I'm not really sure what made me get it. I did think it was a lot smaller than it actually is. It is a vintage Christian Dior wallet from the early 2000s collection. So it kind of has this situation going on, and then it has a slot in the back as well. I thought it was going to be a little more compact. It is still cute and it is vintage, and it really was a good price. So I'm not extremely mad at it, but I don't know if you could see the size of it. And the very last thing I got at the Real Real was something that I just thought was super cool. One thing that you may not know about me, since I'm always opening up handbags on my channel, is besides handbags, my two favorite other accessories, I guess you would call them, are definitely scarves and sunglasses. Sunglasses being above scarves, right under purses. I love sunglasses. You can never have too many. I just love them. So I ended up getting from the Real Real these vintage Balenciaga glasses. I wanted them not only because they were vintage, but they have such a different, they just have a more cat eye shape than a sunglass I would normally go for. And I love that there's a lot of different colors and neutral colors in there, and also like kind of like an earthy green. So these were not in great condition. I mean, these were not in pristine condition. These were actually, and they weren't new with tags. These were listed as, I believe, mint or great condition. One item that I ordered actually last week, it was supposed to be delivered this week, which I'm really upset is not here yet, because it's showing that it was delivered to my post office on St. Patrick's Day and should have been at my house Friday, but now it's Monday. So yeah, I did pick up a pair of Balenciaga sunglasses from Bloomingdale's. So hopefully by the time this video is going to be edited, I can kind of just insert those. Hopefully they've been delivered. I've literally been waiting now going on like 5 days since they should have been delivered. The Real Real really has everything. So does Rebag. And I love apps or sites like Tradesy, Fashion File, Rebag, Rebag, the Real Real, because there are, I've said this in my wish list video, but there are bags that are no longer in circulation from designers. Not only bags, but there's pieces, sunglasses, scarves, just you name it, that designers no longer make and you're no longer able to get in the store. And these, I guess, luxury resale apps are a perfect way to find the piece you're looking for. Like, I couldn't believe I found the Neverfull that I found on Rebag. Like I said, I have a few more unboxings coming, but literally if you're looking for something that is vintage, or not even necessarily vintage, but was limited edition, came and went, you didn't get it in store, I definitely suggest trying Rebag, the Real Real, Fashion File, Tradesy, all of those, and seeing if you can find your item. Out of all the items I bought this week, if I had to pick a favorite, it's definitely a tie between, thank you Marley for waiting till the end of the video to make noise, if I had to pick, it would probably be the Celine sunglasses or the reverse card. So that concludes my what I bought this week haul as far as designer items go or luxury items. And I bought some pre-loved, some brand new. And like I said, I also purchased 2 purses. One, the unboxing is already on my channel, and definitely make sure you're subscribing and hitting the post notification bell so you will know when the next unboxing comes from this collective haul, which bag I bought. Leave a comment below. What designer do you think my next unboxing is going to be from? Let me know. It's a handbag, so that's the only hint I will give you. Let me know in those comments what you think it will be. And let me just say, these are not things, like, I don't buy stuff like this every single week. That's just insane. And I'm super grateful for the times that I am able to buy stuff like this. So definitely just have to say that. And hopefully my Balenciaga sunglasses will be here tomorrow from Bloomingdale's. I absolutely love them. They're so cute. I don't want to have to insert a picture. I'd rather just insert the actual sunglasses. So fingers crossed they'll get there. Well, they'll get here by the time this video is uploaded and you will have seen them in the video. Thank you so much for watching another video here on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you're hitting that thumbs up button, leaving me a comment, just letting me know you like my content here. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.